Throughout our many years in the industry, we have built a loyal and extensive commercial and residential customer base who entrust us to answer their vast security needs, from automotive and master keyed systems to safes for homes and businesses. ASAP Locksmiths are accredited by the Master Locksmiths Association. So what does that mean? MLA-approved locksmiths undergo strict vetting, including criminal record checks. Locksmiths can only be DBS checked via the MLA. Each locksmith company is inspected on a regular basis, ensuring that its members and their operatives maintain standards in workmanship and administration. Members are expected to conform to legal requirements, and customer charters exist to ensure customer satisfaction. The Approved Companies Inspectorate means the MLA can demonstrate that all company members are meeting high standards. Every MLA-approved locksmith has passed an extensive MLA exam. ASAP Locksmiths, accredited by the Master Locksmiths Association.